Okay, I'm writing it as neutral point. So what is a neutral point is, suppose we have two charges Q1 and Q2 placed at a distance of A from each other.
Yes.
Both the charges are fixed. Okay, both the charges are fixed. If the charges are not fixed, why I am saying is, slowly we will uh, enter into the situation where we will also understand the motion of charges due to their own forces. But right now, why I am mentioning both are fixed is because if they are not fixed, because their positive charges, like charges repel each other, so therefore they will run away from each other along the same line joining them. Correct?
Yes.
So I have 2 points A and B. There are 2 point positive charges Q1 and Q2, and the distance between them is A, and both the charges are fixed. Now I
Yes.
want to find a point along the line AB, on the line AB, where the net electric field is 0. That point I am calling it as neutral point. So what is my neutral point? A neutral point is a point where my net electric field is 0 due to both the charges Q1 and Q2. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
Let us take that point to be C. Okay? And let the point be somewhere over here. Somewhere over here means at a distance of x towards, from A towards B. Let C be the point where the net electric field is 0. Or you can say that is the neutral point. Now let us try and understand, before going into that and solving that and all, let us try and understand what happens on the extended line of AB. On the extended line of AB, at any point over here, due to Q1 charge, what is the direction of electric field at this point?
Minus I.
Minus I cap. Or you can say away from Q1. Okay. So basically it is right to left, electric field is even. What is the direction of Q2, electric field due to Q2 at this point?
Minus I.
Is the same. That means both my electric fields, magnitudes are going to add each other because both have same direction, correct?
Yes.
Now, because both have same direction, both magnitudes will be added. That means the net electric field can never be 0 anywhere over here. Because every time I am adding E1 plus E2. Similarly, let us choose some random point over here. The electric field due to Q1 is also from left to right. The electric field due to Q2 is also from left to right. Again the same thing. Correct?
Yes.
The electric field due to both Q1 and Q2 along the line AB right of B is in the same direction E1 plus E2. Therefore, there is no neutral point possible on either sides. Correct? But let me check what is happening at point C. At point C, the electric field direction due to Q1 will be left to right E1. Correct? Similarly, due to Q2 at point C will be right to left E2.
Yes.
If the magnitude E1 and E2 are same, then these two will cancel and it will become a neutral point. Is this clear?
Yeah, that's same.
If they are same, right? So the point, the idea is, for my neutral point, okay, for neutral point, my net electric field should be 0. Net electric field should be 0 vector. That means, according to this diagram, my electric field E1 should cancel out electric field E2. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Only then, if the magnitudes are same, At this point, the electric fields will cancel each other. Now tell me, what is electric field magnitude E1 due to Q1? It is K
Minus I.
direction. There's no necessary for direction because we already took care of direction in our diagram. Direction is left to right. The electric.
K KQ by R square.
So here the charge is what? KQ1 by.
R square.
What is distance between the point and the charge Q1? Point C. Here I am finding electric field, right? Electric field, where do you find it? At a location, at a point, a region, correct?
So X square.
X square is this E1. What is E2? Magnitude K. Electric field due to Q2.
KQ by.
KQ2 by. What is the distance between Q2 and point C?
You haven't written.
Good. So total distance is A and this distance is X. So the remaining distance will come out
A
as
minus X.
A minus X. So here I'll substitute what? A minus X whole square, correct?
Yes.
Now, for my neutral point, my E1 should be equal to E. Okay? Yeah?
Yes.
Therefore, KQ1 by X square is equal to KQ2 by A minus X whole square, correct?
Yes.
For neutral point. Now, KK will get cancelled. I'll do cross multiplication. So, my A minus X whole square, I will take it from here to here. Divided by X square. Yeah. I took this fellow on this side, divided by X square. And now take Q1 over here. That means is equal to Q2 will be the same divided by Q1. Correct?
Yes.
How to solve this? This fellow is square, this fellow is square. So I'll just write it as A minus X by X whole square. Correct? Is equal to Q2 by Q1. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Therefore, my inner fellow A minus X by X can be written as plus or minus under root of Q2 by Q1. I am taking under root on both sides.
Okay, yes.
Whenever we take a square root, we will get both positive or negative because root of 9 is plus or minus 3. Because when you square plus and minus 3, both will be 9. Now, I will divide this, factorize basically. So, I will write A by X minus 1 is equal to plus or minus under root of Q2 by Q1. Correct?
Correct.
Take this fellow over there. This minus 1 become plus 1 implies A divided by X is equal to 1 plus or minus under root of Q2 by Q1. I want to find X. So that means X is equal to A divided by 1 plus or minus under root of Q2 by Q1. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now, till here we have done mathematics and we have done a great job. Very happy. Let us understand what this fellow is. Let us understand what this fellow is, right?
Yes.
So, there are two values over here. One is plus and other is minus. Suppose I have one minus of something. Okay. Suppose I have one minus of under root of Q2 by Q1. So, one minus of something should be either negative or should be less than 1.
Yes.
1 minus something should always be less than 1. Any positive number divided by less than 1 will be more than itself. The sense, suppose I do 5 divided by, suppose 5 divided by, if I do minus 2, then this fellow is negative. Or let me do 5 divided by 0.5. This fellow will become 10. 10 हो जाएगा. 5 divided by 0.5 is 10. Correct?
Yeah.
So 5 divided by minus 2 or 5 divided by 0.5, in these two examples, what are we getting? In case of this example, I am getting a negative value. Negative value means my x is left to a, left of a, which is not possible. We just saw it. Is this clear? Another thing, if suppose it is between 0 and 1, denominator, then my value is greater than 5. This is 5, greater than 5, right of b. That is also not possible. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
What we are trying to say over here is that 1 minus of under root of q2 by q1 is not possible. Why not possible? 1 minus q2 by q1 will have two situations, either a negative number in the denominator or somewhere between 0 and 1 in the denominator. In both the cases, if I have a negative number, that means it shows me left of a, not possible. And if it is 0 to 1, the overall number will be more than 5, that is right of b, that is also not possible. Therefore, it is not plus or minus. The minus fellow is invalid in our physics. In mathematics is fine, but in physics it's not valid. Therefore, the value comes out to be x is equal to a divided by 1 plus under root of q2 by q1. Is this clear?
Okay.
So x is what? X is where I have a neutral point. That means where I have the net electric field 0. Is this clear?
Yes.
Xerox. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. If you think this video was useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section. See you in the next video.